we're going to talk about how to use and manage your store's street database inside the FireFly POS system. A street database takes a map of your delivery area and translates that into a list of starting and ending address ranges for each street in your area. It may divide those addresses into different zones if you charge more per zone. For this video, we'll assume you've already created your map and imported your street data. Let's start out by taking a look at how the street database is used when you're entering a new customer. As you type in your customer's address and phone number, you'll see that possible street matches start to appear. You can continue to narrow this down until you find the street that matches, and then select the proper street to fill in the rest of the fields, such as the city, state, and zip. Using the street database this way speeds up data entry and ensures order accuracy. Now, if you don't find the street in your database, you may want to enter a new street entry. Nothing to select, so we're just going to go ahead and select the proper information, select the proper zone, and we'll go ahead and save this customer. Now, depending on how strict you've set your street database, this still may require a manager override to deliver to this address. This is because we've set the system to enforce the delivery area. Let me show you how to do that. From Manager Home, we just go to Configuration, Order Types, Delivery, and check this box, Verify Delivery Area. If checked, it'll require a manager override to deliver to any streets not already in your street database. If unchecked, you'll have the option to deliver to any new streets that you enter. Let's take a look at the Manager home screen. Here you'll see we have an alert that we have 2 street entries to validate. This is because we've entered some new addresses. You can click on this alert, or you can go to Configuration, Order Types, Street Database to manage your street database. Here I can see I've got 2 temporary status streets, which means that they were entered on the fly by employees. I can edit these. If they're actually a new street, for example, new construction in my area, perhaps I want to add this street to my database. At this point, I can leave this individual address or maybe change it to a range of valid addresses. I'm going to just go ahead and change the status to valid and save it. From here, you can also search for any streets based on this information on the top to manage your database if you need to change any addresses or even add a new street entry, either a valid entry or a not valid entry if you'd like to exclude an address block from your delivery area. You also might want to change the zone of a street if you're managing the way that you charge deliveries using zones. If you find a lot of changes in your area and you'd like to import a new street database, that's always an option. Please contact your account rep and we can get you a new set of data. So that's a quick overview of the street database. Using this accurately will greatly improve the accuracy of your customer data.